Those of you who've been following Kara and me for a while kind of know about that we've been doing this, but I'm going to get into more detail because this is such a breakthrough in health and longevity and losing weight and staying young. You already know about intermittent fasting, where we tell you to not eat for 16 hours a day and then eat for 8 hours a day. Well, that's just the beginning. That's just the start. That's just the entry level. You know about the guy that eats only one meal a day, right? 1 hour a day, that's all he eats. That's the extreme level. What I'm talking about is somewhere in between. I say originally don't eat for 16 hours, and it's easy. If you stop eating a couple hours before bed, and then you wake up and you don't eat breakfast, and then you start eating around noon, that's easy, and it's good. You know, eat for 8 hours. The next level is to not eat till 2 o'clock. Wake up, don't eat till 2 o'clock. I did that for a while. That was fine, but now, drum roll, Kara and I do not eat until 4 o'clock. Nothing till 4. Nothing. Not even powders, no energy drinks, nothing. No protein powder, no green powder, no nothing. Just nothing. Don't have anything that gives you energy, nothing that gives you calories, because if you did, that's not eating. Nothing but water. I swear this is going to be the radical new breakthrough in health. I'm doing it. I've been doing it. Kara's been doing it. It's so easy once you work your way up to it. And no, you will not lose energy. People think, well, I'm going to be low energy. No, you'll actually have more energy. You get more done during the day. It's amazing because you wake up and you just start doing stuff. You start doing the stuff they need to do during the day. You don't have to worry about breakfast. You don't have to worry about lunch. You don't have to worry about where do I get my food. You got to pay for the food. You got to prepare the food. And then you got to go to the bathroom. You got to clean up the dishes and all that stuff. None of that. You just do what it is and you get more done during the day. And you have more energy. You actually have more energy by not eating. You're cleaner. You're running off of fat. Because when you eat, that's the first thing that gets used for fuel and energy is the food you eat. Then after that gets used up, your glycogen gets used. Then after the glycogen gets used, it has no choice but to start using fat for energy, and that's the most efficient fuel source. But that happens like 6, 7, 8 hours later. That's why you look thinner and better when you wake up in the morning, because you've been using fat for energy. But let's say you didn't eat. Let's say you skipped breakfast. Let's say you skipped lunch, and you didn't eat till 4. More and more fat gets used up. So if you go to bed on an empty stomach and then you wake up and you don't eat and you keep going, not eating, and you go as long as you can, shoot for, start with noon at first, but work your way up to 4 o'clock. First go noon, then don't eat anything till 2 o'clock, and then don't eat anything till 4. And then eat. Eat as much as you want. It doesn't matter. As many calories, just wolf it down, and you try to stop around 7 or 8 at the latest. 8 o'clock at the latest. For me, I try to shoot for 6. Eat from 4 to 6. But for most people, they need to work into it. So don't eat anything till 4 and then eat until, 6, 7, 8 o'clock. Do not eat after 8 o'clock. The main thing is do not eat before 4. That's the main thing. And the cool thing is, if you wait that long, your body is so efficient. I should be saying this, but you can eat more of what you shouldn't. Now, I didn't say that, and I'm not saying you should. I'm not recommending that. But I'm saying you can get away with a lot more doing this because your body has a chance to recuperate, and it's so much more efficient. In the old days, back when man lived in the wild, caveman days, whatever, they didn't have food every day. They didn't have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They had to go look for it. They had to go hunt for it. And they didn't always get it. Like, man goes hunting, kills breakfast, brings it in, goes hunting, kills lunch, brings it in, goes hunting, kills dinner. No, they just kind of slowly got up. They wandered around and they went hunting, foraging for food, came back probably in the afternoon, and then they shared it with the community. But by then it was afternoon. It's not like they wake up and instantly, bam, they have it. No. It's great for releasing your HGH, your human growth hormone. It helps with your anti-aging, helps with weight loss, helps with anything that you're fighting disease-wise, health-wise. This is the best thing. This is the best thing you can do is not eat. It's called fasting. So you don't eat as long as you can, and then you eat within a certain time window. And try to eat as healthy as you can. Don't use this as an excuse to pick out. But I'm trying anything to get you into this way of eating. Eat your junk at first and then work your way to healthier stuff. But don't eat till 4 o'clock. That's the main thing. Don't eat till 4. I'll start with 12 and then 2 and then 4. You know how you eat and then you get tired like an hour afterwards because you ate sugar or cooked food? That doesn't happen here. You wake up and you have energy all day long. You just find stuff to keep yourself busy. Your body becomes more chiseled without even having to go to the gym. It's amazing. You just feel so much better and clear. You get more done. It's less expensive. You only have to eat once a day. And then you can pick out, 4 o'clock, just pick out, eat all you want for a couple hours, 3 hours, and then don't eat for a few hours before bed, and watch what happens. Watch, I swear, this is the biggest breakthrough in eating and health and weight loss and energy across the board. Matter of fact, the healthier you get, Karen and I don't even need water during the day. If we do, it's a little sip, like, a tablespoon, the whole time. I wake up, I don't even drink water till like 3 or 4 o'clock. It's called dry fasting. But you have to work your way up to that. If you're full of crap and toxins, you gotta flush it out. So you gotta do water fasting first. You work your way up to dry fasting. That's a whole nother video. Anyway, the main point of this video is don't eat till 4 o'clock. That's the main thing. Do not eat till 4 o'clock. Nothing till 4. If you can work your way up to that, it's the new horizon. And share it. Share your experience with this, because we're not the only ones. We didn't invent this. We're just sharing with you something that it's just amazing. We're not supposed to be gluttons. We're not supposed to be pigging out every few hours. That's not natural. Nothing till 4. And I even got nothingtill4.com, and I think I got nt4.com too. So, oh, that's a nice wave. Wow. Nice wave. I got to go in the water. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Nothing till 4. This is the new way of living. It works. Check it out. Try it. Don't be a wimp. Just do it. See you in the next video. Marcus News. Subscribe. And see you in the next video. marcusnews.com.
We'll be right back.